Artificial intelligence is no longer a thing of the future. It's here, and it's changing everything. Whether you're an entrepreneur, student, content creator, or just someone looking to work smarter, AI tools can save time, boost productivity, and even help you make money. But with so many AI tools being released, how do you know which ones are actually worth using? Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 AI tools you need to start using right now, whether for work, business, or personal growth. Number 5. ChatGPT. Let's start with ChatGPT, one of the most powerful AI chatbots available. This tool can write emails, generate business ideas, automate tasks, translate languages, and even help you code. Instead of spending hours brainstorming or writing, you can get instant responses and save yourself time. Businesses are already using ChatGPT for customer support, marketing, and content creation, making it one of the most versatile AI tools available today. Number 4. Midjourney. If you need stunning visuals, Midjourney is a must-have. This AI tool generates high-quality, professional-looking images from simple text prompts. Whether you're a designer, marketer, or social media creator, you can use Midjourney to create custom illustrations, concept art, or even product mock-ups without needing any design skills. With the rise of AI-generated visuals, this tool is helping businesses and creators stay ahead of the competition. Number 3. 11 Labs. Ever wanted to create realistic voiceovers without hiring a voice actor? 11 Labs is an AI-powered voice generator that can clone voices, generate high-quality speech, and even create multilingual content. If you're making videos, podcasts, or audiobooks, this tool can produce studio-quality voiceovers in seconds. The best part? You can create a voice that sounds just like you or anyone else. AI-generated voices are already transforming content creation and entertainment, and 11 Labs is one of the best in the industry. Number 2. Notion AI. If you struggle with productivity, organization, or note-taking, Notion AI is a game-changer. This AI-powered assistant helps you summarize meetings, automate writing tasks, organize information, and even generate ideas for projects. Instead of spending hours planning your work, Notion AI helps you structure everything in minutes. Whether you're a business professional, student, or content creator, this tool makes staying organized easier than ever. Number 1. Runway ML. And finally, at number 1, we have Runway ML, the most advanced AI video editing tool available right now. It can remove backgrounds, enhance video quality, automate editing, and even generate entire video scenes from text prompts. If you create YouTube videos, social media content, or professional films, this tool can save you hours of work. AI-generated videos are becoming a huge trend, and Runway ML is one of the most powerful tools leading this revolution. Final thought: AI is no longer optional. It's essential for working smarter, automating tasks, and staying ahead of the competition. Whether you want to generate content, create visuals, improve productivity, or edit videos, these AI tools can help you achieve more in less time. If you're not using AI yet, you're already falling behind. So start exploring these tools today and take advantage of the AI revolution.